guys, Rennie Kimono here. So we're going to do a little quick video today about Dollar General, the best deals for gain this week, pairing it with the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. These are both new digitals. All digital coupons are of a one-time use, so load these guys right away. A couple ground rules for you. Obviously Saturday, May the 8th, when the two boosters stack, that's 10 off of 30, so some pretty significant savings. If you're going to go before, it'll be an extra $5, obviously, because the Saturday 5 off of 25 is only on that one day. Use the Dollar General app to scan items to make sure that the 5 off of 30 at the very least is attaching. Bring a pad of paper and pen to really pay attention to the mathematics. You got to pay attention to this. You can't put your brain in autopilot. The smallest mistake will cost you money. These are Michigan prices in this video, so might be a little bit more or less depending where you're living in the United States. Any issues you might have, don't be shy to void your transaction. Like anything in life, you have the option to do that. And not all counties or states, the 5 off of 30 works. I know here in Michigan it does. It also does in Illinois. But if you have issues at your store where the two will not stack, just be mindful of that. Now this little $5 coupon, when you spend $15 after coupons and before tax, so you have to have a $15 balance. That's the place. This is taking place right till May the 15th. Now, obviously, a lot of you want balances that are a lot less. So if you want to try and angle for this, just add an extra $5 and make sure that your balance is $15 before tax that you're paying out. But I'm not going to be including it in today's video. And just to show you, yes, this does in fact work. A couple weeks ago, I did go to the store, did a transaction, and see on the right-hand side where it says SS, that's how you know both the 5 off of 30 and 5 off of 25 are in fact attaching. So that's where the devil is in the details, and you'll know on your receipt. And before we dive into it, my goodness gracious, if you've been to a Dollar General recently, all the clearance sections are pretty stacked. I know there's lots of employees who watch my channel, so if you so happen to see the paperwork for this, if you could possibly let me know, I'd greatly appreciate it. It's obviously not this weekend because the paperwork would have been leaked probably on Sunday or last week previous. There's usually like a little chart that they show what's a part of the clearance and what isn't, but my goodness gracious, it is thick in the clearance section. So the next clearance event is going to be magic. Okay, the first deal that we're going to talk about is 100% digital. We're going to need the two boosters, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. And we're obviously doing this deal on a Saturday to get both of them to work. First item we're going to grab is an item for $3.95, whichever one you want. And we have a dollar digital coupon that's attaching. Scan this guy first to make sure that all of your coupons come off. The next item we're going to grab is one of these for $6.95, so you would scan it second. And there is a $2 digital. So anything you want off of this bingo chart, and make sure that the $2 and the 5 off of 30 are attaching. Get the math to balance. We're going to grab two of the Gain dish soaps. If you have that dollar coupon from the May P&G, you can also throw this in. It'll get you an extra $1 of savings. These are the digitals that you need loaded. The $2 for the $6.95 product, the $1 for the dish soap, and the $1 for the $3.95 product. We're also grabbing two of these guys, the Mr. Clean with Gain for $3. See how it has the Gain logo on it? This is the one that you want to grab. It has to be this one. And then we have this $1 off 2 digital coupon. Please make sure you have that loaded. Final product is two of these guys for $5. Look for these also in the regular scent care aisle and then on end caps too. And then we have a 5 off of 2 digital. Okay, guys, taking a peek at the math. We're going to scan the first item, which is the Gain detergent for $3.95, one Gain detergent for $6.95. It's anything you want off of that list. It doesn't have to be detergent. 2 Gain dish soaps at $2 a pop, that's $6. And then 2 Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaners at $3 a pop, that's $6. 2 Febreze oil Gain, those little pluggies, for $10. So adding all of that wonderful merchandise up together, it's $10.95. As the cashier's scanning everything, that's when you punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $10 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $10.95 out of pocket plus your tax. Hey, it's $1.36 per product. Now, if you wanted that little receipt coupon to print for you, 501 off your next purchase, you would need to grab at least $4.05 of more merchandise to get that to print, as you're like $4.05 short from the $10.95 balance. Okay, deal number 2 is with paper coupons. We're going to need the 2 boosters to load, which is the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25. Let's not forget that all digital coupons are of a one-time use, so pick and choose wisely what you want to do on Saturday. First item that we're going to grab is 4 of these plugs. Again, find them on an end cap or in the regular air care aisle. They have them all over the store. And we're going to need one of these guys, which is the BOGO Free, found in the May P&G. And as you can see, this expires on Saturday, so definitely this is a story of use it or lose it. And then we're also going to use the digital, the 5 off of 2, so make sure that you have 1 paper and 1 digital coupon loaded for this little dealio. Okay, now we're going to grab 2 of the Gain dish soaps, and this comes in a multitude of scents too. It's not just this original one, but definitely scan to make sure that the coupons are attaching. We're going to need this guy from the May P&G along with the digital as well. And then we're going to grab 2 of these Mr. Clean with Gain multi-surface cleaners for $3, and we're going to have this guy loaded to our store card. Okay, taking a quick peek at the math, 4 of the Febreze oil with the Gain scent at $5 a pop is $20. 2 Mr. Clean with Gain at $3 a pop is $6, and then 2 of the Gain dish soaps at $2 is $4. Adding all of that magic up together, the total is $30. As the cashier's scanning everything, that's when you're going to punch in your phone number, and then you're going to present $1 coupon from the May P&G, and then 1 BOGO for the Febreze. So that's $6 right there of paper coupons. The 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 will come off, and then along with $7 of digital, the 5 off of 2 for the Febreze, the $1 for the Mr. Clean, and the $1 for the Gain dish soap. You're left with paying $7 out of pocket, shaking it out to 87 cents per product. So this is not a bad little deal. Okay guys, next deal that we have again is with more paper coupons. We're going to need the 2 boosters, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. Now this deal is for more advanced Dollar General shoppers. We're going to be grabbing 6 of these guys at $5, so that shakes it out to $30. Now, the coupon that we're going to be utilizing is 2 of these guys from the May P&G, and this coupon is expiring on Saturday, so use it or lose it. Now, how you have to get this to work, because the BOGO coupon is very weird if you're using 2 in a transaction. If you're using 1, you can just scan it at the end, but if you're using 2, the second one will start beeping and choking up the cash register. So how you have to do this, guys, and it's a bit of a jog, but it does work, and I had like 3 of you do this deal last week, and it works. So you're going to grab 2 of these plugs, present a coupon, 2 of these plugs, present a coupon. And then when the cashier presses the final pay button, the 5 off of 2 digital, and then the 2 5 off of 30 and 5 off of 25s will come off. But you have to do this funny thing of like 2 items, present a coupon, 2 items, present a coupon. If your store is super strict and they refuse to work with you on this, you obviously can't do the deal. But if you have an okay store, you're not breaking any limits or anything, because the limit for this is like 2. So it should work as per the verbiage, but you got to do this funny order of scanning, because a BOGO free will always get choked up if you're trying to do 2 at the very end. Now we're also going to use this guy, which is the 5 off of 2. So please make sure you have this one loaded for this little dealio. And we're going to make a deal happen here. Okay, so looking at this one, we're grabbing 6 of the Febreze Gain Oil plugs at $30. They're $5 each, so that's how I'm getting the math. You got to do this weird jog of scan 2 items, present a coupon, scan 2 items, present a coupon. And then as the cashier's scanning your stuff, you got to also punch in your phone number. So maybe do this at the front of the transaction. The 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 will come off, along with the 1 5 off of 2 digital. It's $5 for 6, or 83 cents per plug. That's awesome. Okay, and the final deal that we have again is with more paper coupons. So we're going to need these 2 boosters loaded to get this deal to work. And remember, one-time use, so pick your deals wisely. First item we're going to grab is 2 of these guys, and we're going to need this one from the May P&G. And as you can see, it's expiring on Saturday, so use it or lose it, along with this digital, and scan both $3.95 items at the front of your basket. And then we're going to grab 2 $6.95 products, so whatever you want. And then from that same P&G, we need this $2 coupon along with the $2 digital, so 1 of each. Okay, and then we're going to grab 3 of these Gain dish soaps for $2, and they have a whole host of scent. It doesn't have to be just this one. And then we're going to use 2 of these guys, which is $1 off. And again, that's expiring on Saturday, so use them or lose them. And we also have the 1 digital as well, so every item will be covered with a coupon at the very least. And the final item that we need to grab to get our basket right to 30 is one of these Mr. Cleans. We don't have a coupon, but it's $3 on the nose, so it's a fantastic filler here. Okay, so 2 of the Gain detergents at $3.95 is $7.90. Scan those 2 guys first. 2 Gain detergents at $6.95 is $13.90. 3 Gain dish soaps at $2 each is $6, and then 1 Mr. Clean with Gain, the multi-surface cleaner, is $3. So the total for your basket right here is $30.80. As the cashier is scanning everything, that's when you'll punch in your phone number. You'll present $5 of insert coupons, the ones that I showed you in the slides previous for the detergent and the dish soap, all from the May P&G as well. And then the 5 off of 20 and 5 off of 30 will come off, along with $4 of digitals that I also showed you in the slides previous. So you're left with paying $11.80 out of pocket for the 8 items, shaking it out to $1.47 per product. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.